Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday morning, and you're in the kitchen with Lynn. Thank you for coming again. And I'm going to show you how I make my easy and simple quiche. Here I have some ingredients. I have carrot that I'm going to use half, onion and sweet pepper. I'm going to use half of these. I have 4 eggs, some scallions, some grated cheese, milk, also some red hot pepper, some salt, and some black pepper. Now I'm going to prep these vegetables and I'll be back. Now that I'm finished prepping, I did use half carrot, bell pepper, and onion. And don't you forget to check the description box below, and if you're interested in seeing this video, kindly please stay with me to the end, and you can give my video a thumbs up, press that subscribe button, and also press the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video. Now I'm going to be whisking my eggs. Just make sure you whisk them well. Now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. Here I'm adding some scallion or chives, as most of us would know it, some grated carrots, some onions, and some red hot pepper. The hot pepper is optional. I also added some red bell pepper, and I'm going to give it a good mix. Now I'm adding some black pepper and salt to taste. Add your grated cheese, and you can use any cheese of your choice. At this time, the oven is set to 350 degrees, and I'm going to also add the milk now. And I did spread my baking pan with some vegetable oil. Stir this mixture well so that everything will be well combined, and pour into your baking dish and place it into the oven to bake for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is my finished quiche. I'm going to let this sit here for 20 minutes. Now that my quiche is cool, I am going to go in and cut on this quiche now so that I can have my breakfast. Now I'm having some quiche and tomatoes, my homemade flatbread, some yogurt, and some hot chocolate tea. Enjoy, guys, and I will see you in the next video.